In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a workflow in N8n. Workflows are the foundation of automation in N8n, allowing you to connect apps, process data, and automate repetitive tasks with a series of connected nodes. Start by opening N8n and clicking Create Workflow. Give your workflow a clear name so it's easy to identify later, especially if you plan to build multiple automations. Next, add a trigger node. For beginners, the manual trigger is a great choice because it lets you run the workflow whenever you click Execute Workflow, making it ideal for testing before automation. Every workflow starts with a trigger that determines when it runs. Now add your first action node. This could be an HTTP request, Google Sheets, email, AI agent, or any other node depending on what you want the workflow to accomplish. Connect the trigger to the action node by dragging a connection between them. Configure each node by entering the required settings, such as credentials, URLs, prompts, or other parameters. Most nodes provide input fields that guide you through the setup. Once everything is configured, click Execute Workflow to test your automation. N8n will run each connected node and display the output, making it easy to verify that your workflow is working correctly and troubleshoot any issues. As your workflow grows, you can continue adding more nodes to transform data, make decisions, connect additional apps, or automate more complex processes. When you're satisfied with the results, save your workflow. If you're using an automatic trigger such as a schedule trigger or webhook trigger, activate or publish the workflow so it can run automatically whenever the trigger conditions are met. And that's how to create a workflow in N8n. Add a trigger, connect action nodes, test your automation, and activate it when you're ready to automate your tasks.